No decision has been made on the construction of the crooked bridge yet, as studies are still underway. Now, responding to a question from Air Hitam MP, Datuk Seri Siong at the August House today, Works Minister Bian justified that replacing the Johor Causeway would involve high costs, give rise to socio-economic and political implications, as well as international relations.
Sehubungan itu, Kementerian Kerja Raya akan merujuk kepada Jemaah Menteri bagi mendapatkan pandangan dan nasihat mengenai hala 7 berkaitan dengan pelaksanaan projek tersebut.
The idea of the 1.4-kilometer long crooked bridge dates back to 2001, with the intention to replace the Johor Causeway, which has been used since 1923. The project was cancelled when Tun Abdullah Ahmad Badawi became Prime Minister in 2006.